about the Sports Coaching Foundation, which is organizing this. I'm Sai Baba. I think most of the people you know that. You also visited our place. How it started? 1991, when municipal scheme came. I was a banker as a cricketer, Ranji Trophy cricketer. I was working in a bank myself, Sivalal Yadav. In sports quota we joined. I was attracted to that beautiful scheme. They want to promote big way in sports in Hyderabad city in 1991 when Mr. Jannat Hussain was one senior IAS officer, was this municipal commissioner, and T.R. Prasad was a principal secretary. And I was attracted. They called me. Then the place we have selected, we have to give 50% of children free of cost. Of fees we should not take. And there is a non-profit organization I started, the Sports Coaching Foundation, with 3 children at near Masap Tank, which is the most sensitive place where a lot of slum area. It is First Lancer, Pochama Basti, Chaku Nagar, and Ovasipura. Education percentage is less. We have selected that place where it is very difficult to conduct anything. In a public place, it is very difficult. But thanks to bureaucrats, it's basically bureaucrats baby. They encouraged me from the inception, given some donations. The non-profit organization started by me. I was also, afterwards I taken VRS and helped by my wife, because I'm very grateful to my wife because she's encouraged all these years. I taken VRS after working for 22 years in the bank. Now it is the Sports Coaching Foundation, a small organization. From there, the slum area, 3 children are playing for the country. 1 girl playing for the senior cricket for India for last 3 years, Archana Das. She took 10 years coaching. She's a daughter of a small-time vendor, and now she is working for a Western Railway. She is our product. She is playing for the country. And 2 boys now going to Chile in football. They're all slum children. Now FIFA is sponsoring them. It is such a wonderful place, very small place, very, very small place. 1 acre, 20 cents land. We put 3,000 lorries of mud. It's a drainage. Unparalleled work done there. Only I thanks to police department, bureaucrats, Chinnaparediga, like that few people. Still politically it was it's all sensitive place. Drug addiction is there. Still drug addiction is there. Police support is there. Otherwise we cannot stand there. And we are proud to have a first floodlight project in the country, private sector. In 1994, APSCB itself donated us. It's costing now, if you start with 1 crore of rupees. That like corporations, they promoted us. Some senior IAS officers, they liked our work. Myself, my wife started there. And we have a income tax exemption. It's a non-profit organization. Also, we have a FCRA that the Government of India, Home Ministry has given, but no much donations because government is supporting, government organizations are supporting, but not from big corporates like that. Because last 18 years, we have a FCRA. Not a single pie came to our account. We are having 600 children are taking coaching there, and 35 coaches are there in basketball and different games. Cricket, of course, I'm a cricketer. And everybody is paid there. We have expenditure. Only 20% they pay the fees. Remaining 80% totally free there because of their less privileged children they can't afford. We are running from last 23 years like that without corpus fund. Thanks to bureaucrats only again. Whenever we need a funds, little funds, they are helping through APIAC and other areas. We request corporates also should come to risk of the foundations because we also having a one beautiful scheme that is Build India through sports scheme. We go to the doorsteps of the government schools. Last 23 years we are going to the villages. Lot of things. In our Facebook you can see what work we are doing. We conduct 30 events in a year, totally free. This Barack Obama tournament, last 4 years we are doing. Barack Obama, not only iconic figure, also a good basketball player. When he came to power, immediately put a basketball court in a White House. Every day, whenever he's in White House, he plays 1 hour basketball. To that, we are conducting inter-slum basketball tournament. This is the 5th year we are conducting. American consulate people, they come and give the prizes. They also appreciating. Now, we are getting slowly recognition, but I request, thanks to media, a lot of support from your end, a lot of coverage, and we request more and more people to involve there, come there. What work is going on? It's a small 1 acre 20 cent place. 600 children are trained there. 600 in different games. Not only cricket, it's all open tennis converted to sports complex. It's unparalleled work. Now we hope that with your help, the bureaucrats' help, I think more and more children will get more help and they can play for the country and get the dollars to the country, sir.